What does independence mean to you? Welcome back to the channel. Today's question is powerful. What does independence mean to you? But we're not just answering that. We're going to learn new words, practice speaking in English, and build your fluency, all through this beautiful and meaningful topic. So get ready to speak, think, and grow in English with confidence. What is independence? Independence means freedom. Freedom to speak. Freedom to choose. Freedom to live your life the way you believe is right. But it's more than just a word. It is a feeling, a responsibility, a right that we must respect and protect. Let's say that together. Independence means freedom. Repeat after me. Freedom to live. Freedom to dream. Freedom to grow. Say it slowly, with power. Speak it with your heart. Learn key vocabulary. Now let's learn some important words that help us speak about independence clearly in English. 1. Freedom. The power to make your own choices. Sentence. I have the freedom to speak my mind. 2. Rights. What every person deserves in life. Sentence. Education is a basic human right. 3. Courage. The strength to do something brave. Sentence. It takes courage to stand for the truth. 4. Responsibility. Doing what is right even when it's hard. Sentence. With freedom comes responsibility. 5. Respect. Showing kindness and value to others. Sentence. We must respect each other's independence. Say each word out loud. Repeat each sentence after me. The more you speak, the more fluent you become. Speaking practice. Now let's practice speaking English using simple and meaningful sentences. Repeat after me. I have the right to dream. I speak with confidence. My freedom gives me strength. I respect others and their choices. I am proud to be independent. Let's do one more. This time, say it like you mean it. Independence starts from within. I choose to grow every day. Well done. Speaking like this every day will make your English stronger and your voice clearer. Now I want you to try. Think for a moment. What does independence mean to you? You can start like this. To me, independence means I feel independent when. My country's independence reminds me of. Pause the video if you need time. Speak out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. This is your moment to practice and grow. Independence is not just for countries. It's for you, for your voice. When you learn English, you open new doors. You can connect with the world, share your ideas, and stand tall with pride. Remember this. Independence begins in your mind. It grows with your words, and it shines through your actions. Learning English is not just about grammar, it's about expression. Every sentence you speak, every word you learn, it's a step toward your own freedom. If this video helped you learn something new today, tell me in the comments, what does independence mean to you? I would love to hear your answers and support you on your journey. Make sure to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more motivational English lessons every week. You are not just learning English, you are growing your voice. And I'm proud of you. See you in the next lesson.